Hey boys and girls, welcome to another super exciting outrageous toy review. Today we're taking a look at the Transformers Rescue Bots, Chase the Police Bot, and Chief Burns. Inside the package here you can see Chase and the Chief. At the top there's a cool cartoon image of Chase there with his capture claw. The back of the package shows the Rescue Bots hard at working, saving the day. And down at the bottom here you can see a bunch of other characters they make, including Bumblebee, Blades, and Optimus Prime. Let's get ready to tear these guys out of the package. Here we have them out of the package. Chief Burns is wearing his police uniform. He's got a blue shirt and black pants. You can see he's got gray hair and a mustache. And next to him, we have Chase. Chase's blue and white police car that turns into a robot. He's got his Autobots logo here and his police badge up top. He's got his cool siren lights on the back. And he's got his capture claw here for one of his hands. I like that it can rotate like that. His arms can move up and down, and he can sit down. And he's a pretty fun figure to play with. I'm Rock Crusher, and I'm up to no good. I'm Rock Crusher, and I'm up to no good.
I'm Rock Crusher, and I'm up to no good.
I'm up to no good. I'm up to no good.
I hope some cops don't stop me from robbing the bank.
I'm Rock Crusher, and I'm up to no good. I'm Rock Crusher, and I'm up to no good. Oh no! Chase has got me in his capture claw.
And I'm up to no good.
And I'm up to no good. I'm up to no good.
Oh no, there's a criminal on the loose. I need to call my Chase Squad. Yoo-hoo, Chase Squad! Bee-oo-bee-oo-bee-oo-bee-oo. Bee-oo-bee-oo-bee-oo-bee-oo. Bee-oo-bee-oo-bee-oo. Thanks for watching this super exciting outrageous toy review. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and check out our other videos.
This is police brutality.